In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your grille. Of course, we're going to have to transfer over the emblem, so I'll show you that too. Let's get started. 2 Phillips head screws right here, and then a push clip. Let's start with the push clip. Just get your trim tool, pop out the center, and remove the outer piece. As for the Phillips head screws, just get a screwdriver in there. Sometimes they're pretty stuck, but unscrew them. This rubber piece will come with them. And with those out, you can see behind the grille there are some plastic push tabs that look like that. We just have to basically pry on them, and that will release the grille off of the bumper cover. Push those down as you pry out on the grille. And there it is. Now we have to remove the emblem, which is this from the back side, and it just has some little clips that you can pry in, push it through, and out it comes. Take the new grille, slide the emblem into it, make sure it snaps in place. That's secured nicely now. And just line up all the little tabs with the bumper cover. Press it, it should lock in. Now let's secure it up top. Put the clip in the middle, back into its spot, and lock it in. Push the bumper cover in to line it up with the bolt hole here, and re-secure this Phillips head screw. I'm going to hold it so that it lines up as I tighten it. Make it nice and snug, and do the same to the other side. There you have it, job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.